You want to get out of a narcissist boyfriend, don't you? If this is making you confused about how to prepare before leaving, the video now is for you. You need a clear mindset to make a plan before taking action. The goal of the narcissist after a breakup will defeat your self-esteem. So, in the nutshell, keep quiet about the plan and never a second chance. Please follow a step-by-step plan we will share with you as below. Number 1. Constantly remind yourself that you deserve better. You truly deserve a healthier relationship than your current one. Don't ignore red flags from your lover and assume it's a habit. He will always know how to seduce you with kind words. Number 2. Pay attention to the red flags and not criticize your boyfriend. If you don't know the red flags, check out the video above. Once again, you should pay attention to the red flags as soon as you are in a relationship. To do so, let him reveal his true nature by letting him naturally express his viewpoints, then silently observe and leave as soon as possible if you recognize warning signs. Number 3. Never be a second chance. You should find a solution to every worst-case scenario, then decide and cut it off completely. Indeed, you will need a powerful spirit to help you build your shield against the attack of your boyfriend. In addition, you also opt for a reputable lawyer to advise on the worst possible situations. Number 4. Rearrange your life. You better rearrange your life without him by choosing a new place to live, a new job, or a well-organized alternative lifestyle. This can help you heal your pain to some extent. Number 5. Log out all accounts. Double-check your accounts on all devices shared with your ex that they can use to view your documents. Remember one more thing, double-check your tracking ID or location links. Number 6. Get yourself the support from others. Build a support network with friends and family who will always help bring you back to life. At that time, you desperately need to count on them to overcome your dark period. Number 7. Be gentle with yourself. There's nothing wrong with bumping into a narcissist. It can be a good fortune when you have recognized the dangerous signs soon. You may need a psychologist if you are unable to get through this crisis on your own. Please comment below the result you achieved after doing 7 steps as above. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more values.